Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Today I'm here to share some Christmas tags with you all. These are my first set of tags. I haven't been crafting. It's been hectic here. I don't know. I'm just busy with work and everything else. And yeah, so here is my first set of tags. I'm hoping I can get my cards done, my Christmas cards. Oh gosh, my desk is a total disaster. You don't see beyond this rectangle here because it's terrible. So anyway, um, I pulled out some of these mugs. I think I have several sets. I bought this die from Impression Obsession. It is Anna White's Little Gingy. It's a ginger cookie, and it is so cute. I love the size of it. The little heart, that heart right there, it's gone. I don't know where it is. I I don't know. The side here is open, and I think it fell out and I can't find it anywhere. So anyway, um, so I covered the, I covered the, what do you call it? I think these are ornaments, and I covered them with paper. This is from Hobby Lobby paper. I think it's one of their Christmas packs. But I got the paper last year. Yeah, on sale. So I want to use what I have. This is trim in my stash. I cut out the gingerbread. Um, and then on the edges of the mug, or it's supposed to be whipped cream and it's supposed to be hot chocolate, I kind of added some paint. Well, I think it's gesso. And then I dipped it in some glitter. And then these are supposed to be like little marshmallows, hearts. This came from Dollar Tree. Um, I bought these little wooden shapes, and here they are. Well, I took it out of the packaging, but they're really a cute size. I painted them and then I glittered them up. And then I found my tiny little jingle bells. Well, they're not tiny, but they're the little ones from Dollar Tree. And I put it on a ball pin. And then this is some twine. I think this is from Dollar Tree as well, that I bought. It was either last year, and it's jute twine, but it's like a candy cane, and it came in different colors. Like here is a beige one, a beige and white one, and then I think I have a blue and beige. So really, really cute twine that I thought I'd use, and some of them are really long. um, so it's really, really cute. I was going to, put some. Um, I was going to add, what do you call it? Oh my gosh, the caulking on here, and then I decided not to because that would have been way too messy. So that's why I just did the tip, added some glitter, and I thought, yeah, that looks good. That looks, I mean, I just didn't want the mess. My mat here is already messy, but so I really like how these turned out. They're so adorable. And then in the back I have some stickers, to and from, and you could hang it on your tree, or you can put it on a package to send to somebody. I just think it's just adorable. And this little Gigi is just too cute. This one I kind of speckled him with my Stampin' Up punch, and I inked the edges and all that. I used some glitter hearts. So this heart is not from the set, right? Because I lost it. But it looks pretty close. So what I did was I used an old Stampin' Up punch that I had in my stash, and it was perfect. So I'm like, oh well, at least I have something to put in his center. And then others have little snowflakes on his belly, and I just think that is just cute. It kind of stands out because he's so dark. But I think I did it on this one too. So really, really cute and quick little tags. I have other ideas for more tags. I just can't find the time to do them. But I'm coming on, and I'm going to post this as my Saturday morning makes. I haven't done many of them, and I want to, next year I want to do more. But anyway, have a great, great Monday. Oh my gosh, it's already December. I am so behind on my packaging and all that, but and gifts, and I think I'm done shopping for the most part. I think I have to get a couple few little things here and there for family and friends, but other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I'm rambling on. Yeah, so have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.